Ever looked through a night vision device and noticed a tiny sharp point of light that just doesn't go away, even in total darkness? That might be what's known as an E-point or emission point. An emission point is a permanent bright spot inside a night vision intensifier tube. It's not caused by external light or damage. It comes from within the tube itself. Let's break down what's really going on. Night vision tubes work by amplifying light. Inside, electrons are accelerated across a microchannel plate, then hit a phosphor screen to create the green image you see. But sometimes, due to defects during manufacturing, material contamination, or ion feedback, small areas inside the tube begin to spontaneously emit light, even with no input signal. These are emission points. Think of them as tiny internal glow bugs that never turn off. Now, not all emission points are created equal. Some are stable, faint, and barely noticeable, more of a cosmetic issue. Others are bright, unstable, and can even grow worse with time. So, can they be fixed? The short answer, sometimes. If the tube is still under warranty, some manufacturers can perform reconditioning, which may involve controlled burn-in, vacuum refinement, or in rare cases, phosphor relayering. But for most users, especially in civilian markets, a tube with a severe emission point usually means replacement, or you just learn to live with it. Pro tip: always check the spec sheet before buying a tube. No emission points is a premium spec, and worth the extra cost if image clarity is critical for your use. Emission points don't always mean the tube is bad, but understanding them helps you make smarter choices when buying or troubleshooting night vision gear.